Back outside with another bike video. We got a HappyRun G18 Pro. Let's get her unboxed. Yeah, this is a full-size bike. So, a little different from the other e-bikes I have. They're a little bit smaller. But this one is full size. She's super, super heavy. I was gonna bring her over on a hand truck, but it was too heavy for that, so we had to pull her over in the truck. So, let's get to it. So, off of first impression, like I mentioned, full size. All the other bikes I got are more pit bike, a little bit on the smaller side, but it's the big boy. Y'all, like I said, this bike is so heavy. Nice big wheel. Nice big wheel. Okay, so got the wheel on, kickstand on, left pedal on. I'm gonna go ahead and flip her over so I can get to the right pedal. Put our handlebars on, the screen and the light, little stuff, and then she'll be complete. Off rip, really pretty screen. That's nice. It's asking for the little thing. Gonna put that on. That brings up your MPH. The pass, like I talked about before, trips, all that. Yep, so there we go with that. Bring it back down. Y'all know I do have like a habit of unlocking the bikes as soon as I get them, but I'm gonna give y'all just a raw top speed run through before I do any tinkering with that. So let's go. So, I don't know if y'all can tell, but top speed was 36. So, yeah, that's where we're at with it right now.